Hello. I've wondered if you've ever played around with, like, say, your beading foot, if you purchased one when you got your machine or after the fact. It's a neat little foot that allows you to sew on things like this to your projects to give them that extra little something. So let's look at this foot today. So first thing I'm going to do is remove my A foot. And this is the L2 foot, so I'm going to actually stick it on here. Okay, now this is a closed foot, meaning that there's no way to actually get your thread under there just by moving your hand. So what I do is go down and up, and that leaves that top thread down there, and then you can just roll your fabric under, and now it's in the position. You don't necessarily want to have thread on the top of a closed foot like this when you start. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to set and I'm on the Skyline S7. I'm going to set it on stitch 8, which is like a zigzag stitch under the utility. And I'm just going to start by beading some of this purl in. I mean, it doesn't have to stick out far or anything. And then I'm going to drop my foot, or my needle, and then drop my foot. And as you can see, this purl will just ride through the channel here. So I'm actually going to increase the width a little bit from my zigzag. So let's go. Let's play. So it's starting my zigzag, and then it's just going to go across, and it's the little pearls are going to ride right down that channel. And you want to make sure that the zigzag that you do is wide enough to so that as it goes, that it won't hit the pearls when it's going. So we're just going to cut this thread right now. I'm going to really lift it, and as you can see now, these pearls are they're anchored in pretty good. You can't, this is where I started it, so I could come back in and snip this off here, or like where your seam allowance is. But this is it's in here. It's not going to come out. So this is just one of the specialty feet that you may have a use for in some of your projects. If you have one and you haven't played with it, I would suggest trying to get it out and give it a try. Have fun with it. Talk to you later. Bye.